understands one of the men went in asking for her. He ordered a drink, went outside, and returned, reportedly shooting her in the face. She died on the spot while her attacker reportedly escaped in a waiting motor car. Family and neighbors are shocked at the incident, noting Ms. Stevenson had a good reputation.
You think them rubbish are going in my idea? Every jackman in the community get along with them one another. We could all sleep with the door wide open and no worries in the world. Then you take a reggae these days with all guard with the false teeth. Jesus, I'm tired! I'm tired! Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. Every night you look on the news. People are run up and down confused. Me say the picnic them afraid to go to school. But you would do afraid to. Every night you go to bed you hear boop 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 boop. Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. The country needs spiritual healing. Look how much people on the road dead bleeding. And it a mash up the tourism sector. Yes, it a mash up the tourism sector. Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. Crime, me say crime. It just a mash up with life. Thank you.